ako kasi when I do something, I do it with all my heart and being sincere naman, ganun lang.
So you're very focused on your work right now.
Yeah.
So are you currently focusing on work and would not want to engage into a relationship after the...
No, I mean, I'm happy right now with someone and he's very supportive, so I'm very lucky na he's supportive with my work, so, and everything's doing well.
Is it the same guy before?
Different.
What is his thoughts about your work, your job?
No, he's very natutuwa siya kasi syempre gusto niya laging may trabaho para hindi yung nagagamit mo yung utak mo, tapos natutuwa siya kasi parang we're into the same art din pero in a different way. He's into paintings, I'm into the art of acting, so it's nice.
Ito naman sasabi mo na kumbaga parang matagal mo inantay ito, yung ganitong klaseng role. Kumbaga dati laging best friend lang, pero this time parang medyo mas high level na yung
nung una nga nung sinabi sa akin, naiyak talaga ako. Kasi, syempre, matagal ko nang, lahat naman tayo nagwi-wish na magkaroon ng break. And ngayon, dumating na siya. Marang, it took me 2 days bago nag-sink in sa akin. Tapos, uy, tanggapin mo na. Sabi ko talaga, ganito na ba talaga? Ito na ba talaga to? Ayun, parang nakakatuwa lang.
So ngayon mo lang na-realize na talagang you're real na actress, saka magaling ka. Kasi kumaga napansin yung mga acting mo before na nandito.
Oo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa, pag sinabi kanina na ako daw yung leading role, parang naiilang
leading lady,
pa.
parang,
naiilang pa ako. Parang, yeah, it'll take time. I don't wanna put it in my mind because gusto ko muna i-focus yung work ko. Siyempre, pag iniisip mo na, leading ka na, ganito, baka ma-pressure ako ba? So, ayoko munang isipin na gano'n. I'm just so happy that I have work and I'm doing what I want.
Any other, kumbaga, ano yung kakaibang beauty na makikita rito compared dun sa mga ibang mga character na ginampanan?
Well, I will still be funny kasi hindi ko naman kaya magdrama ko eh. I will still be funny and I will, yung kakaiba lang talaga, I'm not the best friend anymore. So, yun, hindi pa rin mawawala yung pagka-funny ko. Sana pag naiyak na si Alex, naiyak rin kayo lang.
Wow. Tapos, syempre, kumaga ikaw yung love interest dito ni Sanjo or love team. Is there possibility na maabangan din na kissing scene or parang love scene? Parang
No, ay Diyos ko Lord, hindi ko pa alam. Kasi we just started. So, I don't know.
Pero are you open for that? Kung sakali, kung kailanganin naman?
Yeah, if it's part of the work, then it is ginawa naman na ipapakita in a nice way, then yeah.
Hindi kaya matakot ka magselos si Bea or magselos yung boyfriend mo kasi
No, I'm sure naman they know that we are just doing our job and we are educated and mature people to know about it. So, hindi naman.
How do you find Sanjo before mo siya makatrabaho? First time, di ba?
No, I've worked with him to my legal wife.
Okay. Pero this time ngayon, how do you...
romance, oo.
Okay. So ngayon, how do you compare yung working relationship niyo ngayon?
Dati pa naman si Sancho, magaling na yan umarte. Tsaka he's very friendly, very gentleman. Dati pag dumatating ka sa set, alam mo yun, lalaki-lalaki, hilayan ka niya. He's very mabait and he's very funny. So, ngayon na we're working together, I'm so happy kasi hindi na ako mahirapan. Kasi siya mismo mabait siya at nakakatawa siya. So, ano mga jokes namin doon, nagkaka-jive lang din kami nila, Maxine, and lalo na si Ketchup. So, I'm so lucky na maganda yung cast namin at maganda din, napaka-relax ng director namin at magaling na magaling si Direk Jeffrey.